Okay, so I've been to this spot probably about 5 or 6 months ago, and it's changed dramatically. It's pretty interesting, actually. And the one thing that you have to know about this spot is that it's right next to a paved trail right here, okay? Being completely transparent with you guys, okay? So there it is right there. And there's actually a playground right here, okay? Now, and you can actually hear kids playing around and stuff like that. The funny part about this whole thing is that I've been finding wood structures right next to playgrounds in these really thick, heavily wooded parks, right? They're all pretty much connected by the same green belt, by the same creek, okay? And that's what's interesting about all this. They're right next to playgrounds. I mean, feet away. So this has changed dramatically. I mean, dramatically. It's different, totally different than what I remember or what I saw and documented 5-6 months ago. There's thicker pieces. It seems to be a little bit more intricate, a little bit more grander, if you will. Huge, 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 huge. Look at this. You know, I have no idea what that's for, but it's interesting. Big, crazy. It's a lot of stuff, a lot of pieces, a lot of big pieces, a lot of small pieces. I mean, look at that. Look at those. And if you're gonna tell me it's kids, homeless, let me tell you this, the park shuts down at dusk. It's gated, nobody can come in, at least not that I know of. So, you know, you can kind of rule out some of that stuff, but you know, what kid or what homeless person is gonna lift up pieces that big, okay, and stick them up there, lift up pieces like that, lift up pieces like that, all right? And if you want to get bigger, it does get bigger. So here we go, look. Well, actually, no, that's actually the biggest piece right there, I think. Here's other pieces right here, huge pieces, look at that. Look at that. So, I don't know, something, I don't know what it is, something did this. Maybe it's the incredibly strong guy that just comes out and does this for no apparent reason, puts this stuff together and then leaves. You know, it doesn't make sense, it doesn't add up. So I mean, again, big pieces like this, look at that. Why? Right? That's my question all the time when I find these things. Why? What for? So it's pretty interesting though. When I came here, there was a couple of kids that were, you know, kind of playing inside of it, having a good old time, and you know, doing their thing, right? So I just find this intriguing that it's right next to a playground. Okay, this is not the first time. This is probably maybe one of the third or fourth ones that I found right next to a playground, but this one's probably the most big, I guess the biggest, or the more grand in size, bigger in size, if you will, huge. So I mean, I just find it intriguing, interesting. I mean, you've got some big pieces in there, huge pieces. What in the world is putting these things together, right? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.